Listen to this Bible verse. Before you become poor, so many are chasing money, yet losing peace. But God says something different, something eternal. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a promise. God is saying, put me first, and I'll take care of everything else. Not just your finances, but your peace, your direction, your purpose. When you chase money without God, you end up empty, anxious, afraid, always needing more. But when you chase God first, He takes care of the rest. Don't let your heart become poor, chasing the riches of this world. Let your soul be rich in Him. Stop chasing money. Chase me. I am your provider. I know what you need before you ask. Seek my kingdom, and you will never lack what truly matters. Your future is not in a paycheck. It's in my hands. Trust me. Faith doesn't make things easy. It makes things possible. Trusting God with your money means trusting Him with your heart. Let go of worry. Let go of fear. Say this out loud. God, you are my provider. I trust you. If this message spoke to you, don't scroll away. Pray. Seek God first. And if you believe others need to hear this, share it. Comment Amen below if you trust Him to provide.